Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great Class B motorhome value from Parkway RV Center. Folks, I'm going to mix things up a little bit, do something a little different. We have gotten so much inventory in the last couple of weeks, and we just bought 14 more today, that instead of doing a long 25, 30 minute plus video, I'm just going to do a quick teaser video. I'm not going to set this up. I'm not going to turn the lights on. I'm just going to go through it real quick, spend a couple of minutes with you, showing you about it, showing you the basic stuff, showing you what we're going to fix on it. And I promise you folks, as soon as I get caught up, because we've got about 40 units that are not online, then I'll go back to doing my long videos. So please stay on my channel, because I'm still going to have little short videos. This is a 2005 Pleasureway XL. I did one of these the other day. This is pretty much its identical twin. It's a 2005 instead of a 2006, but it's just got 21,000 miles. Beautiful condition. It is a wide body TS. It makes the king bed in the back. Looking around it, folks, it looks great. Tires look great. 21,000 miles. Has a marker light on top that we're going to replace, and we are also going to replace the carpet in it. But it's got a 2.8 Onan generator, 81 hours. The exterior looks great. Tires look good. Air's cold. The dash air, I haven't turned anything else on yet, but got a crank out awning. E350 chassis, which is a 1-ton Ford chassis. Got the 5.4 Triton, a V8, 3,500 pound towing capacity, so it'll tow a little small runabout, no problem. DSI water heater, outside shower, and just typical little bit of fading and pitting on the stripe right here, like you're going to see in any 2005 model RV. But all in all, good shape. Let's take a quick look inside. Windshield looks good. And like I said, folks, I'm not going to have it set up with everything on like I normally do. This is just a quick preview video. Step inside. Got the white cabinets, looks great. Up here in the front, wood grain kit. Got leather captain's chairs that both swivel for party seating. It's got the round table that sits up here in the floor. No check engine lights. 21,094 miles to be exact. Power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, all that good stuff. Step back. Dash looks great. No smoke, no pet odors. Got the skylights. 81 hours on the generator. Three-way RV refrigerator freezer. Stovetop. Sink. Got the white cabinets. You know, I like a wide body because you get that forward-facing sofa. And you've got a table that sets up back here, and you've also got a board that goes across these front seats to make it a king-size bed. That's a power sofa. You press that sofa down, it makes a full-size bed. You incorporate these two seats and make it a king-size bed. So, you know, you've got a full-size bed anytime you want it. If you want a king, just takes you a couple minutes to set it up. Flat screen TV, DVD player, side bathroom. This is all a shower and a bathroom. Microwave, convection oven. Like I said, you just do not see many of these vans with low miles, with 21,000 miles. Very, very rare. This unit's $39,900. Includes a complete checkout by my certified and trained RV techs done after purchase. If you want to see how extensive that checkout is, click on my website, which I'll put the link in the video description below if you're watching this on YouTube. Click on that link, it'll take you to my used Class B page, and click on this listing or any other individual listing, and you'll see a green link with a checkout sheet. And you won't, but it's a 4-page checkout sheet, folks. Nobody else, there's not a dealer out there that's going to do a checkout like we do on a 14-year-old used motorhome. But we do it, folks. That's what we do for a living. We sell used RVs, been doing it over 50 years. On my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. $39,900 is haggle free. Includes the inspection. Includes 90-day nationwide limited warranty that we purchase on your behalf. Also includes a cleaned up inside and out after my techs are done inspecting it, which is done after purchase. Of course, then my service manager Gordy gives it his final okay if he's happy with it. He'll call you to set up a time. When you arrive here at the appointed time, the tech that checked it out knows it better than anybody. He's going to go through this RV with you, show you how to operate everything. You can record them with your phone or camera and answer any questions you have, show you any repairs you had to make. Make sure you go to the website. You won't believe how thorough that checkout sheet is. And that's included, folks, at $39.9, haggle-free, no surprise fees, no games, gimmicks, trouble, or drama. 51 years in business, folks. We sell 500 to 600 used units a year. Got over 150 in stock and a bunch more on the way. So anyway, quick video, folks. I'm sorry I couldn't put a lot more information than that in there. You get the 90-day warranty. You get 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time, to be used in a 12-month period at select RV resorts nationwide. Financing available with approved credit and minimum 10% down payment plus your sales tax. If you want to know how much your sales tax will be, when and where you have to pay it, contact my sales department. They'll also go over that list with you. Once you see it online, you're going to be impressed. And they'll also make sure you call ahead, find out the current lead time for a Class B checkout, which shouldn't be long at all. This thing's pretty nice, folks. If you have any questions at all, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you hadn't already. And 15 miles per gallon, easy to drive and park. These little Class Bs are very, very popular. Of course, for those of you who've been looking for them, I don't have to tell you that, how hard they are to find. But thank you for watching my video, and I will, if this unit hasn't sold in the meantime, I will do a full video on this later with everything running. But like I said, until I get caught up with inventory, that's just not possible. Thank you again for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.